We will first begin with the outline of the nose. We will indicate the angle, top plane and outer curves. Then we will determine a layer of light tone to the shadow side and the nostril. We will darken the nostrils. We will build a tone on the sides using cross-hatching lines. Use curved strokes on the tip. Build a tone. We will build a tone on the sides using cross-hatching lines. We will use curved strokes on the tip and the wings of the nose. Deepen the tone of the nostrils. We will lift up the shades to a little lighter tone using a kneaded eraser. Friends, if you enjoy drawing and painting along, please do like and subscribe to my channel and do share with your family and friends. Keeps me going and you learning. Friends, if you have any doubts or queries, do post it in the comment section below. Do let me know on what kind of video tutorials you would like me to make. It keeps me motivated to make more such stuff. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy watching and drawing my tutorial videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.